The WFiltr HX2017FR-A for Hisense Fridge is more than a simple replacement part. It is a guardian of refreshment, a silent sentinel standing watch over every glass of water and every cube of ice. It is a wellspring of purity, and it stands ready to transform the mundane into the magnificent. With each drop that passes through its sophisticated filtration system, it meticulously erases the impurities that can cloud and mar the taste of your water. And it leaves behind only a crisp, clean essence. This is not merely a filter, but a promise of quality and a commitment to your family's health. Furthermore, the WFiltr HX2017FR-A for Hisense Fridge works tirelessly. Its internal mechanisms a veritable symphony of technology, all designed to deliver the clearest, most delicious water possible, so that you can enjoy every sip. Moreover, it is a testament to thoughtful engineering, designed to integrate seamlessly into your refrigerator, thus becoming an invisible yet indispensable component of your daily life. Consider the journey of water from your tap to your glass. It is a long and often perilous one, fraught with microscopic contaminants and lurking odors that can diminish its natural vibrancy. However, the WFiltr HX2017FR-A for Hisense Fridge acts as a champion, bravely confronting and conquering these unseen foes. Just as a knight stands at a castle gate to protect its inhabitants, so too does this filter stand at the entrance of your waterline, diligently barring entry to chlorine, lead, and other unwelcome guests. Therefore, every time you fill your glass, you are not just getting water, you are receiving a liquid jewel, polished and perfected by the WFiltr HX2017FR-A for Hisense Fridge. Consequently, this small but mighty device ensures that the pure, life-giving fluid that we all depend on remains exactly that, pure and life-giving, ready to quench your thirst and invigorate your senses. In addition, its compatibility and ease of installation mean that this shield of purity can be deployed in mere moments, ensuring that your family's safety is never compromised. Ultimately, investing in this 2-pack of filters is an act of foresight, a way of guaranteeing that the wellspring of purity in your kitchen never runs dry. Because these filters come in a pair, you are always prepared, and you will never be caught off guard by a diminished flow or a faint, off-putting taste. The second filter is a beacon of future security, a promise that the high standard of water quality will be maintained long after the first filter has completed its duty. Meanwhile, you can rest easy knowing that the WFiltr HX2017FR-A for Hisense Fridge is providing a continuous flow of pristine water, a continuous source of a truly refreshing experience. In conclusion, this filter is not just a product, it is a solution, a safeguard, and a symbol of the clean, healthy choices that define a modern home. It works diligently and silently, and it is always ready to deliver, ensuring that every drop you drink is a masterpiece of refreshment. Pros: easy install, great price, easy process to install, fitment is good, works as described. Perfect replacement, exactly what I wanted, hard to get. Glad that Amazon has them. Love this filter, fit as expected, leaves the water clean, no odor or taste, great quality, came as expected, great transaction. Cons: not a universal fit, doesn't filter all contaminants, needs frequent replacement. Features: HX2017FR-A refrigerator, water filter 2-pack, replacement filter, easy to install, reduces contaminants, improves water taste, long-lasting performance. The WFiltr HX2017FR-A is a 2-pack replacement water filter compatible with Hisense HX2017FR-A refrigerators. This easy-to-install filter is designed to reduce contaminants, improve water taste, and provide long-lasting performance for your refrigerator. This product summary is for the WFiltr HX2017FR-A, a 2-pack refrigerator water filter compatible with the Hisense HX2017FR-A model. Customers found these filters to be an excellent and easy-to-install replacement. Praising their great price and perfect fit, the filters effectively clean water, leaving it with no odor or taste, and are described as being of great quality. Some reviewers noted that the filters are hard to find elsewhere but were glad to find them on Amazon. However, a few users pointed out that the filter is not a universal fit, doesn't filter all contaminants, and needs frequent replacement.